Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to create a custom solution in Microsoft Dynamic CRM. So let's just get started. What a solution is that if you just get Microsoft Dynamic CRM out of the box, it may not have all the functionalities that you need to meet your business requirements for your organization. So what you want to do is create a custom solution that will meet the needs of your organization. And how you do this in Microsoft Dynamics CRM is you just first you hover your mouse over the words at the top here, Microsoft Dynamics CRM, and you just want to click on settings right here. And it will take you to the settings dashboard. And after you click on settings, you just want to hover over the settings tab. And under customizations here, you just want to click on solutions. And it'll bring you to this page. So you can see right now we have no solutions created. And what you want to do is you just want to click on new to get us a new solution. And once you get this page, you'll see 4 mandatory fields. So for the display name is just what you want to call the solution. So let's just call this one new product. Product development. And you can see here that the name is automatically filled after you get your display name. So the display name is just to help you remember what the solution is. And you can change this at any time even after you click save and close. But the name is permanent. So after you hit save and close here at the top, the name is permanent. You cannot change it in the schema anymore. Next, we just want to get the publisher. So we want to do, if you already have the publisher saved from a previous job, you can just select it here. But if you don't, what you want to do is you just want to click on look up more records. And you want to click on new just to create your new publisher. And all you need to do here is just fill in the name of the publisher and maybe a brief description here at the bottom. Fill in the prefix. So usually like what depends on how the naming convention of your client or the firm that you're working with, but this is usually just the department that the solution belongs in. Okay. So so I've already pre-populated this. I just called my Amex Corp and I just click add. And the version number again depends on the naming scheme of your firm. And it can vary, but I'm just going to call this one 1001. But it's not a big deal. And I'm just going to click save and close here at the top. And great, my solution has been created. So I just want to point out that you can see that this solution is unmanaged. And what this just means is that it's going to be used internally, maybe from like one machine to the next. In the case that you want managed is if you're selling the solution as an add-on for your client or using it for some external use. But in most cases, managed is fine. So if you want to add some entities to the solution, what you want to do is you just want to double click on the solution. And you can see the window that we had before popped up. And you might have noticed from earlier that we have a drop down here on the left hand side. And this is a different type of things that you can add to the solution. So for our purposes, we're just going to add some entities or some components into our solutions. We're going to add an account, a campaign, and a contact to our new product development. So what I want to do right now is just click on entities. And then I want to add existing here at the top. And I just want to select account. I want to select campaign, and I want to select contact. And after I selected those 3, I just want to click OK. And those things will be added. So it's going to ask me for missing required components. Because no customizations are made yet, there are going to be missing required components that must all be system components that will already exist in any target system that you deploy to. So, depending on your situation, either of these could be the right response, but for these purposes, I'm going to say no, do not include the required components. I'm going to click OK, and those 3 components are going to be created, and all I need to do is click Save and Close. And the new entities would have been saved. So that is a brief overview of how you create custom solutions in Dynamics CRM. Hopefully this was helpful. Thank you very much.